Looking for the right car? Today could be your lucky day. With 50,221 miles, this Black Raven 2010 Cadillac Escalade equipped with automatic transmission could be yours. Request more information and set up a test drive right away.